So we have a follow-up on this 2015 GMC Sierra crew cab 4x4 with the 5.3. Yesterday I did the fuel injectors and walnut shell blasted the intake ports. The vehicle runs significantly better. There's no misfires that I can feel. Performance is better, fuel trims are normal. But on the second drive cycle, the dreaded money light is on. So now we scanned it now, and we've got a P0430 code, Catalyst System Low Efficiency on Bank 2. So prior to this, we had a P219B, which is fuel trim problem on Bank 2, and a P0300. So the vehicle hadn't run the maintenance monitors, and if I look at the system report from back then, I'll pull that up here in a sec. Here's the system report when I ran it initially. What's the date on here? March 29th. So it had these two codes, 300 and 219B. But if I go right to the bottom of the report, you can see the maintenance monitors, misfire, fuel system, all those comprehensive tests had run, but not complete evap and catalyst. And the fuel trim code, fuel imbalance code, and the misfire code would have prevented it from running the catalyst efficiency monitor. So now that I fixed that, it's enabled the monitors, and now we have a new problem, and likely caused by prolonged exposure to misfires and running with that fuel imbalance code. Well, we'll have to have a chat with the customer.